Welcome to Tech Dream Gear. Hello, tech visionaries and future enthusiasts. You've arrived at Tech Dream Gear, the channel where we explore the intersection of technology and innovation that's shaping tomorrow. Today's topic is as exciting as it is transformative: automation in agriculture. How is automation revolutionizing farming? And why does it hold the key to a more efficient and sustainable future for crop cultivation? Stay with us as we break it all down for you. The need for automation in agriculture. The global population is set to reach nearly 10 billion by 2050, increasing the demand for food by over 50%. Traditional farming methods often fall short in meeting these demands due to labor shortages, inefficient resource usage, and environmental constraints. Automation steps in as a game changer, offering solutions that increase productivity, optimize resources, and reduce environmental impact. What is automation in agriculture? Automation in agriculture refers to the use of technology and robotics to automate tasks such as planting, harvesting, irrigation, pest control, and even decision-making. It integrates advanced machinery, AI, and machine learning to create smart, efficient farming systems. Applications of automation in agriculture. 1. Autonomous tractors and machinery. Self-driving tractors equipped with GPS and sensors can plow, plant, and harvest with precision. These machines reduce labor dependency and ensure tasks are performed consistently and efficiently. 2. Robotic harvesting systems. Robotic harvesters are designed to pick fruits and vegetables with minimal damage. They can operate around the clock, significantly increasing productivity during peak harvesting seasons. 3. Automated irrigation systems. Smart irrigation systems use sensors to monitor soil moisture and weather conditions, adjusting water delivery to match the needs of crops. This conserves water and prevents over-irrigation. 4. Drone technology. Drones are becoming indispensable tools in agriculture. Equipped with cameras and sensors, drones can monitor crop health, identify pest infestations, and map fields to optimize planting strategies. 5. AI and predictive analytics. AI-powered software can analyze data collected from sensors and drones to provide insights into weather patterns, soil health, and crop performance. This helps farmers make informed decisions about planting schedules, fertilizer use, and pest management. 6. Vertical farming and controlled environment agriculture, CEA. Automation plays a critical role in vertical farming setups, where climate, light, and nutrient delivery are precisely controlled using advanced systems. This ensures consistent yields irrespective of external weather conditions. Benefits of automation in agriculture. 1. Enhanced efficiency. Automated systems perform repetitive tasks faster and with greater precision, freeing up human labor for strategic activities. 2. Resource optimization. Sensors and AI ensure optimal use of water, fertilizers, and energy, reducing waste and cutting costs. 3. Increased yields. Precision farming techniques and real-time monitoring lead to healthier crops and higher productivity. 4. Sustainability. Automation minimizes environmental impact by reducing chemical runoff, conserving water, and promoting eco-friendly farming practices. 5. Scalability. Automated systems enable farms to scale operations without proportionally increasing labor costs, making them viable for larger agricultural enterprises. Challenges and barriers. 1. High initial investment. The cost of acquiring and implementing automated technologies can be prohibitive, especially for small-scale farmers. 2. Lack of technical expertise. Farmers need training to operate, maintain, and troubleshoot automated systems effectively. 3. Connectivity issues. Many rural areas lack reliable internet connectivity, limiting the adoption of IoT-based agricultural solutions. 4. Ethical concerns. The replacement of human labor with machines raises questions about job displacement and the future of rural communities. The role of governments and organizations. Governments and private organizations are recognizing the potential of automation in agriculture. Subsidies, training programs, and research initiatives are being developed to support farmers in adopting these technologies. Collaboration between tech companies and the agricultural sector is also accelerating innovation. Future trends in agricultural automation. 1. AI-driven robotics. The next generation of agricultural robots will be powered by capable of learning and adapting to new farming conditions. 2. Blockchain for traceability. Blockchain technology will enable transparent and secure tracking of agricultural products from farm to table, enhancing food safety and reducing waste. 3. Renewable energy integration. Solar-powered automation systems will reduce dependency on fossil fuels and lower operational costs. 4. Advanced biotech integration. Combining automation with biotechnology will pave the way for genetically optimized crops that thrive in automated environments. Automation in agriculture is not just a trend. It's a necessity for a future where efficiency, sustainability, and productivity go hand in hand. From autonomous machinery to a high-powered decision-making, these innovations are transforming how we grow our food. If this glimpse into the future of farming excites you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Dream Gear for more explorations into the tech shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episode.